In this video, I'll show you how you can add a LinkedIn link to your resume in Canva. So this is very simple. Firstly, what you need to do is copy your URL from LinkedIn. So click on your profile and then you will see this public profile URL. So make sure to copy this link and then go to Canva to your resume. And from here, you need to create a section where you want to add your link. So let's see, I'm going to add a new text box and I'm going to write, let's say, LinkedIn. So like this, I'm going to move it like here and I'm going to resize it like this. And now just click on it. Click on these three dots. And from here, click on this link button. And from here, basically, you need to paste your LinkedIn URL you copied. Then click done. Done again, and now when someone clicks on this LinkedIn text, it will redirect him to your LinkedIn profile. So now keep in mind you need to download it in PDF files. So click on download and PDF standard, choose PDF, then click download. And now you can open the file and we can try it if it works. So this is my PDF file of my resume, and if I click on this LinkedIn text, as you can see, it redirects me to my LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can add LinkedIn link to your resume in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.